Okay, hello everyone. Puhaba.
Habagut, Puhaba.
Good morning. Habagut. Today Friday, like always, you guys want to learn Aceh language. So now we're gonna start it. We're gonna learn its basic Acehnese language. You know what I mean? And then it's easy for your guy to communicate. If if you want to learn. Because language is always good, you know what I mean? To learn any language, right? It's always good. So I'm gonna teach you guys basic Aceh language. So, uronyo Jumat, berarti kelas nombor 2. Dan yang perno bahasa Aceh lo, nyonya lancar. Jadi pun lo tanya Mbak John. What is your name?
My name is John.
Hi John. Okay. What is your name in Aceh? Sonan. Gata. Right? Mean is what is your name? Right? Sonan kata is what is your name? Okay. Nyo anak have to relay urang kabeh turi Mr. Roland Zabu, Mr. Samsundi. Okay. Kameraman uronyo lo nak lakai maaf apabila naik kalian lele wali murid karena ruangannya pi ruangan sementara. Ruangan sementaranya karena anggaran naik tebir long. Anggaran kai pakai le kepala dinas pendidikan. Ipegat pagar moji yang sayang kecil ke kepala dinas. Sayang kecil. Baik, sama manuk-manuk lang remohi. Ya, jadi kekean murid wali murid. Tapa-tapa dia tanya. Ya, kita tengok rakyat. Okay guys, first we gonna learn very basics, okay? In English, 1. Aceh we call sa. Can you say it?
Sa.
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 2.
Dua.
Le. Put.
Put.
Bring to John. Put. 4, right? 5. Limam. Okay, diulang Mr. Samsundi. Sa.
Sa.
2. Le. Kerja cukup benar hati lewat kah le. Putra kapajun kerja bet le kapajun yang syubhat. Sa, 2, le, put, 5.
Sa. Dua. Le. Luput. Dua.
No. Kan le put 2. Okey. Ya. Sa, 2, le, put, 5.
Sa. Dua. Le. Put. 5.
Wow, Mr. Samsundi memang kali punya Samsundi kacaran. John, I think next week you gotta eat those kind of awesome suki too. I think. See, he's doing very fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Alinyan chicken. We. Okay. We mean left.
Yes.
We. Okay. Nyo tanya merno yang very basic. In English, what they call this?
Measuring tape.
Measuring tape. Bahasa Aceh. Mete. Try kun yang bahasa Inggris.
Flashlight.
Flashlight.
Yeah.
Sente. Yo.
Hammer.
Palea. Katuleng. Palea.
Pale.
Try kun yang bahasa Aceh. Oh, Aceh. Bahasa Inggris.
PSI.
Buku. Buku. Okay. So for today, we just learn basic, I think, right? Every Friday, Titi Hura Jumat, kamu merdu bahasa Aceh untuk untuk basic, mantap. Nyoci ulang je dulu tanya. Okay? Can you repeat this?
Sa.
Good job, si John. Look. Sa, yes. Okay, I repeat again. Sa, dua, leput, lima. Okay, you good?
Yeah.
Sa. Dua. Dua.
Good.
Le.
Le.
Put.
Pu. Lemon.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
Yeah. Because we're getting old, we don't want to learn too much. Kita kata wah, hai tamong li, lilit ha, kita jik yang basic.
Sa, dua, le, put, lima. Yeah.
Oh, good job, good job. Okay,
Okay.
that's it. I think for today, any question? Any question, John?
No, for today.
Longgala murno bahasa Aceh.
Oh, Mr. Hamdi, galak murno bahasa Aceh.
Yeah. That's right.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
John?
Mm,